Okay, you better stop before you get scammed with your own money being deposited. Okay, apparently, my explanation in so many videos that are recorded over the years seems like it is not very clear. And if we still have comments and more than one comments like this, asking whether that this is a fake AliExpress or not. Now, to a certain extent, my understanding from comments like this, meaning that you are hoping there is some easy money for you to make with the fake AliExpress. Now, why I keep saying fake AliExpress? Why? Because in the official AliExpress, if we are talking about the same thing, which is affiliate marketing business opportunity, there is no online task for you to carry out and fulfill. And there is this so-called commissions to be made in this manner. There is only one type of work in regards to official AliExpress affiliate marketing program. And that work is actually a business activity called marketing. Alright? Marketing in what sense? Making video contents to promote products on behalf of the official AliExpress. And what are you trying to achieve here to get yourself being paid? Is through your marketing content. For example, videos promoting about the products. With that, you attracted buying, paying customers. So when someone pays, and this someone is actually, in the business sense, means a customer. So with someone paying for something that you promote, that's why the predetermined conditions of paying you something, which is known as commissions, because someone out there in the marketplace is buying something which created profit for the official AliExpress platform. With that, the predetermined condition, because you have fulfilled it, this is why official AliExpress, right, have their AI system to calculate the commissions for you, plain and simple, just like that. That is why that one is a real money that you earn. That's why you can legitimately withdraw it eventually into your bank account, right? So I sincerely hope that in this video, you get an even clearer picture of what is actually official AliExpress affiliate marketing program. Whatever that you think that you understand and what you sign up for, which is instigated by some human being, which I call facilitator out there, imposting using the official trademark of AliExpress, okay, which they are not authorized to do so, to set up this fake platform for you to think that there is some easy money for you to make without real business work like marketing to be done. Alright, so please watch this video over and over and over again until you fully comprehend what I am trying to teach you here. Okay, and if it's not enough for you, right, go ahead, right? If you want to receive more such guidance, learning material, right, training resources for free, right, go and add yourself into my private Telegram group, which you will see the link on this screen. Copy this link onto your preferred browser, for example, Google Chrome, and activate it, and you will be given the access into my Telegram group, right, whereby you can have more open platform for you to ask your questions and receive more credible training material for you and for free, right? And at the same time, there will be other credible recommendations for you. If you still want to pursue your career, right, in using the internet to create multiple sources of income online, that is a Telegram for you to join, which is owned by me. All right. I hope this is helpful for you, right? Do not doubt, right? Do not doubt what I'm trying to show you here, and you start putting in your own money, right? And good luck to you if you want to do that, because to my knowledge, so far, those victims that have done that, they have never been able to withdraw out even their own money from such scams. Okay? Yes, mark my words. Right, mark my words. Right. Okay, I will see you in my next video update.